Greetings, fellow conservatives. Human Events has been spreading the revolutionary news of our crusade for as long as I can remember, and we all can attest to the power of the press. I've been reading it for over 33 years, and I know it was influencing conservative thought long before I came along. Nevertheless, Human Events has served a vitally important purpose all these years. For decades, it has proved story after story of hard-hitting news on the front pages, stories on current issues, our future, and the direction of our nation. You have touched the minds and hearts of countless Americans by providing not only news and features, but also wisdom about the human condition. With your help, we won the war. With the evil empire and the Berlin Wall came crumbling down. You and I had no doubt that ultimately the cause of political and economic freedom, and therefore the spread of civilization, would triumph. We knew that as conservatives. It was necessary to be unwavering in our cause until all people are at last free to determine their own destiny. But the war to preserve our freedoms here at home continues. This is no trivial battle, and we must do everything in our power, despite the fact that we are under attack each and every day. My friends, the nation once more hungers for our message. Our work is not yet done, and we must continue the crusade that began so many years ago. I feel confident that Human Events will be a powerful voice of freedom and of hope and of opportunity for the conservative movement.